Today we're going thrift shopping. I haven't been thrift shopping in a long time, but it's Christmas thrift shopping. Hopefully I will find something Christmassy. I will go and you will come with me, and hopefully I find something. Whether that's, maybe I might find some clothes. It's not Christmassy. Let's go. I am back. I found some things. I found a lot of things. A lot of shirts or a lot of clothing items. Right now, I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my dad. Maybe I could just add the haul into this video. I'll try and do that, and let me know if you like that better. But I think when I have a lot of things, I'm not gonna like add that into the video, into, you know, my shopping video, because it would be too much in my opinion. But I didn't buy, I mean, it was, I don't know, medium amount of things. I don't know, I remember I told you, I don't know if you remember, but I told you I'm allergic to dust. So anytime I'm out shopping, like my throat, it gets really dry, my nose is runny and my eyes are itchy, and you can hear my voice, like it's really like raspy. It's the air and stuff in there. So, but I'll go home and drink some tea, and I'll show you the things I got. And I'm gonna buy some sushi. Yeah, you already saw most of the things, but I show you. I think I showed like half of the things I got, maybe. I don't know. Yeah. See you at home. I'm back home. I got this bag. Oh my god, it was this. So, I think I showed you this. I found this one. It's a little angel holding a gift, a package. It's Christmassy, I guess. And then this tiny angel. See, it's tiny. I think it's glass. Yeah. Oh my god, ignore the, it's like a weird, like, I don't know, because of the light. I found this one. I thought it was adorable. think I might put it on my desk. Super cute. You know, I love these things. And I found 4 records. Usually never find any good records at that thrift store. Usually it's only like Swedish songs and people that I don't even like. Singers that I don't even like. The first one is Glenn Miller. I already have this one, I think. Yeah, I like Glenn Miller. The thing is with my record player, I got it from my grandma, by the way. I don't know. I know some people ask me sometimes what kind it is or like what brand. I don't know. It says on it Marantz, but I don't know if that means anything. I just know that I got it from my grandma. I don't want to play like hard rock or like heavy metal song on it. It's my favorite genre, but I don't want to play stuff like that because it's not like the sound is not really meant for that. It feels like, if that makes sense. Okay, my camera was running out of memory. Yeah, I only like playing like Glenn Miller or like Elvis Presley. You know, like kind of like calm songs, like vintage-ish songs. That's what I prefer to play on records or record player. Yeah, this is the one that I got. Next one I got is this one. It's Mozart Piano Concertos. Is that another language? Yeah, the records in here. I'm looking forward to try these out. Another Glenn Miller one. I really like this record. It's really pretty. The last one was this Christmas one. White Christmas, Louis Armstrong, Bing Crosby. Basically the classic Christmas songs. I love them. When I listen to Christmas music, it has to be vintage. Maybe some can be like newer ones, but I prefer the retro ones. Oh my god, this one is... Never mind. Ignore that. Brenda Lee, Silent Night, Little Drummer Boy, Santa Claus Coming to Town. Yeah, those. That's all the records, and now over to the clothes. I said you saw like most of it, maybe everything but 2 pieces. Yeah, okay. So you already saw them on, so I'm not gonna show them on again. You will see these pieces in the near, like, future, like in lookbooks or something like that. This is the first one. It's really pretty. They're bigger, and it got these ones that I'm gonna cut off because I really don't like them. Very pretty one. I love it. What else you can see here? The next one was this pink one. This, I don't know if I should say the sizes. It doesn't really matter. This was like 44. That's why it's so big. This was 40. Just a simple pink one. I like this one. But I really wanted blouses. I need more blouses. This was very similar to the other one. Also got these ones. I'm gonna cut off. You can see the details. When you're at the thrift store, always check like every section. Kids section, women's section, men's section. Because you usually find a lot of stuff at the men's section. This one is from the men's section. It was just a big sweater. It's an M, it says. I don't know, I really like it. It's long, it's big, cozy. Another white blouse. This is really simple. I wanted to use this also like as a walk around at home kind of shirt, but also it's pretty, you know. So it's just a long white button up. Nothing special. I mean, it's very basic, very flowy. I really like it. It's 42, 44. So don't be afraid to buy big clothes because you find a lot of cute stuff. And the last one, which is very cool. Yeah, I showed you this one. I don't know what it is. It says River Rat Jazz, California Delta. Oh my god, I love it. I don't know if it's just like if it's an actual band or if it's just something random, or maybe, I don't know. I should have changed the light so it just stays on. Sorry for the weird. Okay, I'm gonna end the video soon anyways. Super cute. I really liked it. And that is actually it. Thank you for watching. This was very fun to film. It's difficult to, I mean, I've been doing YouTube for, what is it, 4 years? More than 4 years. And I still can't really film outside. I can, but it's like awkward, you know, with people around. And everyone look at you as if you're like an alien and they've never seen a camera before. They always look at you like that. Or look at me like that. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. If you want me to do more videos like this, also let me know. And as I say in every Christmas video now, let me know what other Christmas videos you'd like to see, and I will see what I can do. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. I love you, bye.